Open Document Spreadsheets, Data Types. The data type of a number refers to the way that the number has been formatted. To change the data type, right-click in the cell and select Format Cells. A number which appears exactly as it was typed in, which can be seen in the preview area, is said to be in the standard number format. Click on OK. Select the entrance fee amount. Right-click and select Format Cells. Notice that this shows the number exactly as it was typed in. To change the data type to currency, click on Currency. The currency can be rounded off to rands only, in which case it will show as 46 Rand, or it can be shown with the decimal places, rands and cents. Click on OK. The number which was originally typed in can be seen on the input line of the formula bar. The data type of the number, in other words the way the number has been formatted, can be seen on the spreadsheet. Select all the decimal numbers. Either right-click and select Format Cells or use the shortcut key. Hold down the Control key and press the number 1. Leave the category as number and select the second format. Check the preview box. Click on OK. The numbers have been formatted to have no decimal places. Hold down Control and press 1. Change the number of decimal places to 1. Click on OK. Select cell E2. Calc recognizes several ways of typing in dates and automatically formats the date to the date data type. Type in a date. Click on Accept. Notice that what was typed in is not the same as what appears in the cell. It has been formatted to the default data type. This is not the same as the other data types. To change the data type, right-click and select Format Cells or press Ctrl and 1. Change to a different date format. Choose a matching format. Click on OK. Time should always be typed in using a colon. If we type 6.00, it will show the wrong time. Type 6:00. Open the Format Cells dialog and change the time so that it doesn't show AM or PM. Click on OK. Type in a contact number. Click on Accept. Calc sees any number typed in as a number, whether it has a 0 in front or not. Numbers which are not going to be used in calculation should be input as text. To input a number as text, type an apostrophe before typing the number. Click on Accept. It's even better to add spaces so that it's easier to read the number. Click on Accept. You can also format the cell before you start typing. Change the data type to text. Click on OK. Click on Accept. If the cell is formatted as a text data type before the typing is done, it will be formatted as text and not as a number. It seems as if a year, month and day have been stored in this cell. If we select another cell, we see what has been stored in the cell and the way it has been formatted. The decimal numbers still have the number of decimal places stored, even though only one is showing. Dates are different. What is stored is actually a number. Type the number 1 and click on Accept. Calc sees this as day number 1. Select both cells, right-click, select Format Cells. Change this to the number format and to standard number format. This is the number of days that has elapsed since day number 1. Click on Undo twice to restore the data. Remember that dates are stored as a number of days.